Now, what are the difficult and problems that are there relating to the energy sector? First and foremost, there is an imbalance between the demand and supply. The demand is more and supply is very less, especially in the commercial fuels. So we need to increase that. We need to increase the supply. Now oil prices have also been on a high, and they have also resulted in creating inflationary pressure, because when the oil prices go up, the oil is something that is used for generating electricity also. It is also used as a means of transportation. It is also used for food. It is an important part. When the price of oil grows up, it leads to creating inflationary pressures. Now the growing oil import bill, 37% of our total import bill, 37% goes on petroleum, oil and lubricants. So, and OPEC countries have been constantly increasing the prices of petrol. So that is also one of the reasons which has led to a problem in generating more energy. Then one of the major problem is transmission and distribution losses because of theft, especially in northern India. This is a major problem where still the state governments are responsible for generating power. There is a lot of theft takes place. Whatever is transmitted, the whole is not distributed and the revenue does not come in properly because people indulge in theft of energy or electricity. Then, as I said, state electricity boards are not in very good shape. Their operation cost is very high. Their operation cost is high. Then they have some supportive or protective agricultural policy because of their political reasons. They protect agriculture, which is nearly free electricity or very low tariff they charge. And then they have their staff is too much, and all these, their cost of running their boards is so high that they are in a bad shape. Then operational inefficiency. Now how do you measure the efficiency of a plant? You measure the efficiency of the plant with plant load factor. Suppose a plant has a capacity of producing 6,000 billion megawatt of energy and it produces only 3,000 billion megawatt of energy. Then what will we say? We'll say the plant load factor is 50%. That is, it is working on the 50% of its capacity. This is one of the major problems of most of the generating plants in our country, that they work below their capacity. The lowest is in the eastern region, this 62% PLF, and the best ones are in the South India, southern region, it is 81%. When we talk about the center, state and private partnership sectors, state governments, as I told you, they're in bad shape. Their plants are, the PLF of the state electricity boards on an average is 65%, whereas central and private it is 79%. And still one of the major reasons of inadequate electrification is there are so many villages where electricity is such a big problem now also. You hardly get 4 or 5 hours of supply or 8 hours. You get it in the morning, you will not get it in the night. If it is there in the night, it will not be there in the morning. So these are inadequate electrification problem is still there in India even after 63 years of independence. So these are some of the difficulties and problems that are relating to the energy sector.